What is binary search?
Binary search is a fast algorithm for finding a target value within a sorted list or array. Unlike linear search, which checks each item one by one, binary search repeatedly divides the list in half, eliminating half of the remaining elements with each step. This makes it much more efficient, especially with large datasets, requiring far fewer comparisons to locate a value.
Step by step, how binary search works.
To use binary search, start by comparing the target value to the middle element of the sorted list. If they match, you've found the value. If the target is less, repeat the search in the left half. If more, use the right half. Continue dividing and searching in halves until the value is found or the list is empty.
Why is binary search efficient?
A binary search has a time complexity of O log n, meaning it gets much faster as datasets grow. Each step cuts the search space in half, making it exponentially more efficient than linear search, which has O(n) time complexity. This efficiency is crucial for searching large databases, files, or lists.
When should you use binary search?
Use binary search only on data that is already sorted, as the algorithm depends on the order to eliminate half the possibilities each time. It's ideal for searching in sorted arrays, locating entries in large ordered tables, or implementing features like dictionary lookups and autocomplete.
Common pitfalls and tips.
Remember, binary search won't work correctly on unsorted data. Watch out for off-by-one errors when calculating the middle index, and be careful when the search range shrinks to 0. Always verify that your data is sorted, and consider edge cases like repeated values or empty lists before applying binary search.